My name is Mishkin Berteig. I've been using Scrum since 2002 and I'm a certified Scrum trainer. I've consulted with some of the largest and most prestigious companies in the world, and I've coached them through a lot of problems with the ways they implement Scrum. These are the Scrum myths. A very common misapplication of Scrum is to include non-Scrum roles inside of your Scrum team. For example, business analysts, testers, user experience professionals, software architects, database admins. These non-Scrum roles actually are not allowed in Scrum. This is a firm rule of Scrum. So let's look at what is in a Scrum team. It's very simple. We have a Scrum Master who serves the rest of the team. They help with the process, removing obstacles. We have team members. Often these are called developers, but in the sense of product developers, not in the sense of coders. And then finally, we have a product owner. These are the roles on a Scrum team, and these are the only roles that are allowed. Now, why is this so important? Because it really is critical. First of all, other roles prevent the team from self-organizing. Self-organizing is a critical principle in Scrum. Secondly, other roles prevent common team commitment to the work. Commitment is one of the values of Scrum. And thirdly, those detailed roles where people's responsibilities and actions and skill sets are limited prevent high-performance teams. And in many ways, this is the biggest problem. So finally, maybe a minor problem, those roles also lead us back into waterfall thinking inside the Scrum team, where team members are constantly handing work off to each other. Now, of course, some of that is always going to exist, but I want to give you an example of a technique that has become popular in some agile circles. This is the concept of mob programming. And the idea of mob programming is that with a Scrum team, you have a single workstation. Everyone on the team, 7 or 8 people, are gathered around that single workstation, and often you'll have, a big visual presentation on a screen or a large monitor as well. And one person's typing, everyone else is problem solving. And of course, the idea here is that everyone contributes to solving business problems. There's technical contributions, there's quality contributions, there's subject matter expertise contributions, but all of that problem solving actually is the most important part of the work of a team. Typing itself, really a very small part. So this is an example of how a Scrum team can work with no roles. Now, I do want to be absolutely clear. In the Scrum Guide, written by Ken Schwaber and Jeff Sutherland, they specifically say that no non-Scrum roles are allowed on a Scrum team. This is a fundamental rule of Scrum. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments section below. We'll try to answer them in future videos. If you're struggling with Scrum, contact us. We can help. Thanks for watching.